color themes. Within Adobe Illustrator you've got a very useful and smart feature regarding colors. And only a small amount of people actually know about this. As you can see, this current workspace has lots of color options. Right here, but also up here and to the right. But there are also color combination options hidden within Illustrator. To access this useful tab, go to Window, then select Color Themes. Then this tab will appear. You can create your own theme colors, but you could also explore creative theme colors. Now let's head over to the Explore tab. And as you can see, we've got multiple color combinations. So I'm just going to search for a great looking theme. Let's go with this one. I'm just going to duplicate these squares using the Alter Option technique. And now let's change the colors to the theme. That's it.